Hello everyone and welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing this microwave food dish cover. Now you may have seen in the past I did a video on this exact one. Well, I loved the other one so much that I got a new one, and that's actually because clumsy me, I dropped mine and it cracked. So it still was workable, it still workable. It still worked fine, but it was time to get a new one. It was starting to get pretty rough looking. And normally, if you would drop this, it would not crack. But when you have food and you're heating this up for, 5 minutes, it makes the plastic not as durable. So after I pulled it out, pretty much it was like this. After it was done, I pulled it out and I accidentally dropped it, and when it dropped, it cracked. But normally, it wouldn't crack if it's just, cooled off. But anyway, I absolutely love these. These are amazing. You got vented holes if you want to vent. You just simply turn it over until you find the hole, and it can vent. Place it in, cover your food, and you're good to go. So this definitely gets a 10 out of 10 from me because I absolutely love it.